Creating, editing, or deleting tasks. Creating tasks. To create a new task, begin by navigating to the desired task page via Tasks, Task Portal, Task Board, or Task List. Once there, click on the New Task button, which will open a flyout, allowing you to enter information into the provided field. It is recommended to fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. Often, business requirements involve a hierarchy of tasks. If you need to link a task to another task, indicating that the completion of the subtask contributes to the completion of the parent task, there are two ways to achieve this. Here, while creating a new task, define it as a child task by selecting the overarching task as the parent. The other method is to go into the parent task and create the child task in the Tasks tab. This automatically links the two tasks in defined relationship. Proceed to complete the remaining fields and then click on Create. This will successfully create the new task in the system. Next, let's look at editing or updating an existing task. To edit the task, navigate to the desired view and locate the task you wish to edit, either by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. Double-click on the task and open the Details page. Here, all the information of the task will be displayed. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to apply the changes. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the task. If desired, you can roll back to a previous version by clicking the Rollback button and selecting a specific version. Don't forget to save. Note the Rollback button is present on the Details tab. Lastly, let's look at deleting tasks. To delete a task, there are two options. From the Task Details page, simply click on the Delete button to delete that task. If you're using the board view, simply double-click the task you wish to delete, then click the Delete button. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple tasks at once, it is only possible to do so from the List page. Navigate to the List page, select the tasks you want to delete, and press the Delete button. You cannot delete multiple tasks from the board view.